Hello, my name is Sanan, and this is my final submission for CSCB58. So the unit width in pixels and the unit height in pixels is both 4, and the display width and display height need to be 512. The base address for display is GP, and this gives us a total size of 128 by 128 pixels. So first I'm going to show just the milestones 1 and 2. So you can see that there are platforms that I can stand on, and there's collision to the platforms. There's also collision to the floor, collision to the left, and hopefully I don't die, collision to the right, and finally collision at the top. So as you saw just earlier, there's also collision with the enemy with a nice game over screen. And I can restart the game at any point by pressing P. So that's milestones 1 and 2. For milestones 3, the features that I chose to implement were moving platforms, as you can see, as well as moving enemies. So the rocket here moves. There's the fail condition with the game over screen. And the jetpack. And something cool about the jetpack actually is that the motion due to gravity is parabolic. So it's not a constant acceleration. It is a constant acceleration, but it's not a constant velocity. So you can see as I accelerate up, my character will kind of come to a gradual stop and start decelerating down. And the last feature that I added was animated sprites. So you can see that the jetpack has a nice little animation. Actually, if I go to the top here, it'll be easier to see. You can see it's a 2-frame animation. And the same thing with the rocket, which moves pretty quickly, so it's kind of hard to tell, but the fire behind the rocket is also animated. There you go. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for all of the features that I chose to implement. I guess I should also show, so I did write a simple little Java program to actually convert my sprites into code that I can, into assembly code that actually renders those pixels. So you can see this is for Rocket Fire 1. This is all of the code that actually generates the image in the game. And so this did result in my final project being around, let's see, 27,000 or 26.8 lines of code. But yeah, that's it for my demonstration, and I hope you enjoyed.